Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. In today's topic, I would like to tell you six important things about community. Number one is support and connection. A strong community provides emotional, social, and practical support. It connects individuals, fostering a sense of belonging and reducing feeling of isolation. Number two, share values and goals. Communities often unite around common values, beliefs, or goals. This shared vision encourage collaboration and make it easier to work together for the greater good. Number three, safety and security. In a close knit community, members look out for each other's well-being. This can create a safer environment where people feel protected and secure. Number four, diversity and growth. A community brings together people from different backgrounds, offering diverse perspectives and experiences. This promotes personal growth and a broader understanding of the world. Number five, empowerment. Communities give individuals a voice and the power to make a difference. By working together, people can address challenges, issues, problems. They can also create a solution and improve their surroundings. Number six, identity and cultures. Communities preserve traditions, languages, and cultural practice. They offer a sense of identity and pride, passing on heritage from one generation to the next. A strong community nurtures its members, enriches life, and builds a foundation for future generations.